Hi, I'm Julie Boland.
And I'm Morrison.
And welcome to Inside the Classroom.
Today we're going to be showing inside the Culinary 2 classroom with teacher Mrs. Anderson. Culinary is a cooking class we take to learn how to cook different types of food and also to make other cultural dishes.
Now let's go in.
Hi, my name is Bianca and today we are making spritz cookies. We're using the spritz cookie press, but they're all like broken. We need more money to buy more to make them. But instead of using these, well, we tried using them and they weren't working so well. So we're using the, I don't know what these are called, but we're using this with a tip to press out the cookie dough to make cookies.
I don't like really hate him, I just like question it. Like he's really cute. He always and he feeds for it's like Play-Doh.
Just get a pastry bag.
Girl.
Hi, I'm Martika Nelson.
What are you guys making today?
We're making spritz cookies.
Ooh, have you ever made that before?
No.
Are you excited to make it?
Yes, because we get to play around with the colors for the dough.
That's cool. I'm excited to see.
It's marble color. No, it's not like this. Huh? Yeah, when I don't think break it until after the weekend though, because after then.
So, what's your name?
My name's Emma.
Okay. What are you making today?
We're making coconut ladus.
Ooh, how do you make that?
So basically you take coconut and a bunch of other ingredients, but mainly coconut and butter, and you fry it in a pan, and then you roll them up, and then you roll it in coconut, and then you chill it for like
That sounds really good.
No sense.
Ooh, do you like them? Have you had any before?
Are
they hard to make?
No, it's just coconut, condensed milk, nutmeg, cardamom, and I think that's it.
That's really cool.
Food color.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Josh.
Hi, Josh. What are you making today?
We are making chocolate almond.
They look good. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
Okay, hi, what's your name?
Lydia.
Hi, Lydia. What are you making today?
Raspberry sandwich cookies.
Ooh, have you ever had any before?
I have.
You have? Are they good?
Usually.
Do you like culinary?
Yeah, it's a really fun class.
Have you taken it before? Like,
Last year I took culinary 1.
once again, this is Julie Boland and Morrison reporting with the Culinary 2 class. Thank you for watching. See you next time.